I'm looking for Miss Olive.
Olive. Yeah, she live right up there, so. Has she here come out for you?
Yes.
I know Olive. Olive live right up there, so, sir. Right up there, so. She live right up there. So, go through the second door down there, so, and go upstairs. Up there, so she live.
So as you can see, the place is properly structured. You don't know, it's very quiet. Like, no problems. I've had no issues with any of my tenants since I've been here. So let me just introduce you to one of my tenants. Yes, this is Chosen.
Good day, good
Hi,
day.
my name is Olive.
All right,
Nice
come
to
on.
meet
So
you,
now man know what
Olive.
kind of meeting through grill,
Okay,
man.
I'm
Come
sorry.
formally. Right,
Let me step outside.
right,
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
I am Olive.
Olive, I'm
Olive.
Chosen. Nice to meet you.
right. All right, so I was just telling our new tenant
Mm-hmm.
that, you're a very
Mm-hmm.
nice person,
Yeah,
very quiet
man. Yeah,
and
man. It's
humble.
nice to have someone new on the blocks. I go want to talk to you about something. You have a few things actually. So when you finish with the lady, you just. Or if you want to talk now, I'm gonna know because I see I show her around and re. So I want to give up, I want to share a few words with you if you don't mind. Off
We
the
can
air.
talk. Hear what, Miss Olive? Here's the key to the apartment, so you can, go
Yeah,
and
man. Make
start
yourself comfortable.
start out yourself. All right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll come to see what you're going on with shortly. Let me just hear what the
Okay.
young lady here is saying.
All right, Brutus.
If I never want thing, I go for my scroll.
What
You know,
what seems to be the problem?
if I never want thing, I go for one long scroll and show you a list. Make you do me this. What kind of stunt you pull for me, Sir Rufus? You
What
didn't
you
say make
talking
you get
about?
one young girl and one nice young man, cause you don't want me, you know. I'm like a long time and you know going good.
Chosen, what is wrong with you?
Not nervous. I'm like,
This is
look, Palmer, it like something. You look like something wrong with me.
but I never tell you so the criteria for renting an apartment here is young and attractive and beautiful and
Oh,
all
you
these
can need a
things.
place.
Is your money.
Mm-hmm. But anyways, I'm gonna still put half on and look aside. I see that line there on the song. And me put up since we come here, me not going to use it. So she have to put up her one line. I notice say everybody else that's some little piece of black me have here, so I go on good black hair. So when me walking on my heels and sometimes me go out and come back from dirty Fridays and dirty Sundays. My heels them a broke off, let them stop me here. See the foot decent something here. So I can't live son up here how much money a month. Sealer. You can't live son up here much money a month time. I have good landlord, I look good and something and you make money and me I give you money. And you do say make you want me and give me two tax. You're not going good. You're not going good. So me I go want you fix up yourself expensive heels and some manicure, pedicure and so. Me can't my foot a rock up in the dirt and them something there. And make sure find out one garbage bin. Yeah, it's a long list, man. I don't talk it. You're going to find out one garbage bin. I'm not like the girl company in the yard. Me going to find one nice young man put there. Hmm? You find this big woman? No, but just pray.
Listen,
As I'm asking, I'm just pray to there for long. Cause me come see me no me don't get along. Me and she now get along. Find her online and make sure she don't use the washing machine where they run at the washroom. Make sure
so
she
what you
don't use
expect the
it.
lady to wash her stuff in?
She buy her own washing machine and big woman. Make me finding one thing. Me no want me and nobody. And make sure say no pin no jars for the line them no then on
But
that
is
because they go
nothing
on
wrong
there.
with the washing machine, miss. The washing machine comes
Me
with the apartment.
not pay my rent.
So what do you think she is doing?
Listen, I'm special enough. I don't want special treatment. Yeah, she had just come to wait her turn. I'm like, oh, you move from where you know? I'm not like, oh, you move. But anyways, I'm say, I know I should come here, come go and like try and take over. I'm there a long time, I'm just still want to stay in peace. That's my thing there. So the line off limits, And as I said, I want blocks here, so and enough look at look at me go send you one long text message. Cause right now I can't remember everything. Me go send you a list of the things that I want you to change and rearrange around here. Cause you're not going good and I pay you on time. And person don't like me, so I'm kinda mad at you. And yeah, all man never seen like me. Every man like me, or something wrong with them, and wonder why I go on for your status or something. Cause you not move straight to. But me not like her, so I make you know that. Yeah, only man me never seen like me. Something wrong with all you too. And you're not married. I remember seeing a woman and come here to you. Tell her that you be last place me live, you know, and say the man a drool over me. With the parents, you know, I'm going good. Anyways, I like her.
Wow. That
With all
is,
that said and done, yeah, I
that
don't like
is
her. That's the
really a
point.
lot.
A lot. I'm still not telling everything yet. Me, I tell you, I don't like her. I don't like her.
So why were you giving a front just now? I thought you.
Then I have to go on nice. I don't want the lady come here to come spend a little money and feel no way. From that's why I call her one side, at least I have audacity and respect. But I don't like her. She don't necessarily look for me. No, she look for me. I don't like her. Don't like her. Upset. You get me upset. You can't do that. You even call me and give me a text and say, all right then, one lady, I come here, you first hand you tell me before you just pop her up and show her around and rent to the place. You even send them to me. Could I look somebody sent to me put here, you know? Get the
But it
place
is not
rented for
your
you.
place.
Yes.
And you don't get to choose who comes here.
That is true at your place. But my parents
But you're
here too.
behaving as if it is your apartment, miss. You don't decide what I do with this place and whom I rent it to.
I don't pay rent on
I
time.
never said you don't. However, you don't have any say as to what I do with the place. You just have responsibility for your quarters.
And I've been handling my responsibilities quite well, aren't I?
So then I don't understand why you're behaving like this.
I don't understand why you carry new
The
people from me. I
line.
say, yes, I'm my yard too, you know. I'm my yard. Once me leave it, so I'm my yard. And my place technically can me pay for it, even though it's yours.
And the line is there for everybody to use.
No, it's
Why you
not.
have a problem with
No,
the
me can
line?
put up my no me can put up my wire.
Oh
But
my,
good current wire from the boardhouse I'm used to live before I come here.
oh
Me
my
not like
goodness.
get up people too, you know, she kinda look get at me and say, show you me can, but I really
Are you low-key prejudiced?
no, I'm not, but me don't want she use my line because she go put no she go want pin out her panty them and them something there and me and no girl supposed to pin panty on the same line because I don't know where panty them a come from.
You
So
know,
make you know, I'm not really want to cause a problem in your yard. I'm just make you know certain things are off limits. That's all I'm saying.
you know what? I hear you. I hear you loud and clear. Hold on 1 second. Something just occurred to me, and I think it's beneficial to you.
Mhm.
You know I have a brother, right?
Mhm.
Why don't I introduce you to my brother?
Which one? Cause one brother me know you have and I couldn't that one day.
Hold on.
Hold on for the
Hold
grill.
on.
Say.
Look here, no man. My brother is very nice. Just hear me out. Just
Oh my God, Mister. Sit down. What you say?
I say my brother is very nice and
Which one?
he's very intelligent.
Which one?
What do you mean by which
Which
one?
brother you talk?
I am talking
Hi,
about
hi,
my
hi, hi.
brother.
Other brother there you talk?
I'm talking about Popeye.
Jesus Christ. Sorry for me
But
going.
hold on,
You want
but
me
you know
to
I hear the terms. Watch
give
you
me
know.
your terms? What
So
terms are not terms? I mean,
listen to
all
me,
those come along
just
for
hear me
me.
out no. Just hear me
But
out.
like
When
a
you have to
30
somebody
kids?
load up the thing,
No,
so.
because you know me stay now.
So take time to
I
me I
believe in
talk to you.
you, and you know me
I
like you a
am
long time
saying to you,
all
say
along, and
yo,
you know me like you. I don't want to hear nothing.
I
You
wanted
know
to
me
get I
like you.
wanted to marry to my
So
brother.
something wrong with me?
And if you're
I
married to
make you
my
know
brother,
want me.
I will make you married to my brother and I'll make you live your friend tree.
Me no care. Me pay my rent. Me no want to leave your rent free. And you me want. Me no want your brother. Your handicapped brother you want give me.
It's not an
All those come
handicap.
along.
Don't
All those
call my
come
brother
along for
handicap.
me.
He's
He
just
pussy cap
special.
then and just all I cap them.
My brother is very special. What you talking
You
about?
must special enough for me. You special enough for
Listen
me.
to me.
You like a special needs man.
Why
Who wants
don't
to treat you as special?
why don't you consider it?
No, I'm not even sleeping on it. The moment I talk about it, I know what answer. You crazy?
He's a good man.
I'll ask you a question. He's a good man, fine. But why you want to give me him? Why me?
Because
Why me? What are everybody in
I
the
think
world?
you
Why
need
me?
somebody special in your life.
So you not special enough?
Mhm.
No, 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 give
He's
me brother.
yes, and
Give
he
me
is
brother.
twice the man that I am. So I think you guys would make a very good couple. As I said, you get married to him and he will satisfy your needs, and at the same time you live here in this nice apartment. You don't have to worry about anything.
So where me can go with it, brother? Who me can show you, brother? Look pa me, no. Look pa me. Who me can show you, brother, say my man? I mean, you really come back. I mean, you really come back.
What you talking about then, my brother? No can go places where you thinking he can't dress. Of
He
course
hand
he
can
can
fix.
dress.
He hand can fix. If he hand can fix, me can't work with him. He hand can fix.
It's a work in
I
progress.
see my eye cast one of them man he can't fix. But I choose not to fix it. If him hand can fix, me can't go work with him. He not go work out.
It is a work in progress. Just think about it.
Time have money.
This is what I'm saying. Then if he's my brother, then my money not his money. So just think about it, man. You know, man. So you're talking to him. Just picture like it's me you're talking to.
That's very hard. Being that you're
But we look,
my
but we
type
look
and he's
alike.
not.
We almost could have passed with twin.
No love. Right, that's why you're mistaken. No, you look more like your dad, and he look more like your mother. No, and as I said, you're my type. Me not see nothing that I like on him.
Just
No,
please.
we can't
Just
be
please,
looking
no.
at it, somebody with a rent or not. I'm gonna like
You
you.
don't
I'm
want
gonna
your,
like you first.
you don't want your own man. Are your own man militarily I give you, you know. He's not borrowed, he's not owed, and him not trust him not depend. He is solidly your own.
Taking pan down payment until no
I
one
feel alone.
still not want him. You want
Hear
so
what?
boy you.
Just think about it.
No,
Just
so
think
what?
about it now.
You don't have no woman. Listen, nobody have come here to you. Want to you?
I just choose not to wear my ring.
You married?
A story for another day.
No, because if you're married to that work, you're that wearing it, a fault for wearing, me still want you. And you more want me, I want you, brother.
Alright, so think about it. Just think about it and get back to me, alright?
I man, oh yeah, help. Olive. What's your name? Olive. We're not gonna name that, and she's not Olive Garden, the restaurant. And make sure you're not dining there. Bye.
Keep business alone, please. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Watch out now. Man, nobody do no talking. We will do talking, yeah? Olive. It's Olive. Olive, she did. Miss Olive.
How that? How that? Hello.
How you doing? How you doing, man?
I am fine, thank you.
Everything is alright?
Yes.
Nice,
Wish you
lovely,
can
man.
see.
Yeah, man, it's such a lovely day. I want to introduce you to somebody. To introduce you to my brother, Papai.
Hi.
Yeah, man, as you can see, nice gentleman. So from time to time, he's going to come and be a representative of me here.
Okay.
Yeah, man. You see me? So, you know, as you can see, nice, clean, upstanding person. And you know, if you don't mind me saying this, you know, I notice that you don't have anybody coming here to hear any at all, you know. I realize, you know, normally my tenants would have people coming in every now and again. I realize, you know, have nobody coming to check him. And he is very much available. Like, he doesn't have anybody at all either. So, look how it could have worked now. Wherein, if you and my brother were to say, connect, you know, make a nice little family, I believe it can be beneficial to both parties. Because he will have his wife and you can live here rent free. How does that sound?
Brutus, are you my landlord?
I am your landlord.
You sure say I'm a landlord? Cause it look like there's something wrong with you, sir. It look like your head chip this morning make you come call me from my work. Now me have to take me break. And my 15-minute breaks me taking up before time all because of you. You understand what me say? If you come talk foolishness, why you come and introduce your brother to me? Like say me they tell you say me want somebody. Me tell you say me want a man. Oh, you know my personal business and me don't have a man. What you mean you don't see nobody a come check me? So true, you don't see no man a come to me. That mean I don't have a man?
But you don't have to get all gyrated.
Me nah get gyrated. I am telling you the facts. The facts still remain that me and you never hold no personal conversation about my life. So oh, you carry your brother come fi come inter and look, God forbid. Look for your brother where you know I know other brother even if me did one man. Why you carry this a brother you come fi come give me like I said the worst one out of the family in a
What you talking about? This is Popeye. This is a very decent, nice gentleman. Don't watch the juice I'm having in them hand. Yeah? And don't watch the shaking. It all goes away during the night time. Because time kinda cool in the sun time right now. So that's why this little problem happening. But don't watch that. I guarantee you, so the kids them will be perfectly fine. Just think about it. A nice little family, and you don't have to give me no money at all. You just live here for as long as you're there with my brother. A beautiful family, you know?
Listen to me. I am a very respectable, hardworking woman. Very independent. Me not rely or depend upon nobody. Hello, sir. Whatever you call your name, Mr. Brutus. Me ever ask if you want a month free yet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that mean me always pay my bills. Me not ask if you no free. So free month or no free nothing, no free issue, nothing. Me not look no Samaritan. Anything me want me ask God for. So if me need a good man in my life, me we go down for me and ask, why you care this a brother? You know have no other brother even if me did. Me ask you one question. Me say if you not have no other brother, even if me did one man, you choose the worst one out of all.
Don't
God
say
forgive
these
me.
things.
I am
Don't say
no
these
well,
things,
no
please.
disrespect. No disrespect. No, look for your brother with my shake.
Popeye, go on to the car, come in.
No, look for your I
to the
don't
car,
even
come
want
here.
to say
Go on to the
that
car.
word. Look for your brother
to
with
the
my
car,
shake.
come in.
You look for the worst. So me what, sir?
Appreciate it if you just hold on your voice.
Hold on. You can't carry them kind of man come in my life.
But you can't talk to and try to disrespect the young man like that in front of him.
It look like he not even understand nothing when me and say. Me they tell us me want a husband. Why you want me to go there with them the crosses there? And then I can't tell me about him can be my husband and me I go be wife. And what? You crazy Brutus? Brutus, me think you did have sense. You only have sense if you do business.
Hear what?
But you know no sense when you come on to relationship. Brutus, me no shatter man.
I'm sorry, Miss Olive.
Brutus, what me just say?
Miss
Me
Olive?
no shatter man and me no want have no heap of man. Me rather one man alone.
You look like a ketchup on
And
a
if you
bad
never
day.
know me, me tell you this. Well, this is a new story to your chip. Cause it look like your chip where you have in your head. Something wrong with the shift. Me have me man. You just not around here when him come here. And him coming soon. You're out of order. Brutus, no care about your piece of old idiot. Crosses, Finan,
Miss Olive,
handicap
do not,
looking, the blood of Jesus.
Miss Olive,
Look
do
here.
not say these things. I mean, I'm sorry.
Look here, me 15
I'm sorry.
minutes
All
break.
right, go on.
Almost
Please,
up.
Miss Olive, please. You're messing up.
Brutus, you see this way down here, sir?
Miss, Jesus.
He nah bother me. Brutus, you see this? Me can't control it. A woman fi act like a woman. Brutus, me no want any man. I don't know every man can jump in at this. So when me go breed for man where deform, fi me pitney no count on deform, God forbid it will never happen. The blood of Jesus is against you and your stupid brother.
It's a small little correction. Just think. All right.
Think about what?
All right, Miss Olive. Go back to your work. I'm
About what?
very sorry, Miss
Look
Olive.
here. Brutus, let me tell you something. At the wrong tenant this year they mess with you. Hear me I tell you?
Your voice and don't make other people hear you.
No, there's something you have to allow make crowd come.
No.
This need crowd. Because you out of your sense, you could never in your right sense of, and come to me, come give me your different brother. When not even set good, speak good, chat good, nothing good about him.
There's other people at work, Miss
I
Olive,
do not
please.
care. Don't care about that man come to
I
because
am
me never
sorry.
tell us me want nobody.
I am sorry. I am sorry. It won't happen again, Miss Olive. I am sorry.
Brutus, me can ask you a question? Listen to me. You like me as a tenant? You want me or what? Or you come and use your brother as excuse? Me if you there with your brother.
Miss Olive, I apologize.
Why you never say to me say? You are look me then, all when me no want you. And if you hear what me have to say, and make me make up my mind and then me squit out if you rent. You dey come tell me about blood of Jesus. Go on this party they go. God forbid. Hey, you better not make all in a fear place. Carry my one there.
Alright, Miss
The woman we went show me down there so go introduce to. The first time when me come here. Why you not go give that the woman that this a man ya?
Alright, Miss Arlie. Alright, no man.
So me a idiot.
Jeez, and Pete, me a beg.
So you can idiot come give me.
No, Miss Olive, I never said you're an idiot, and my brother is not an idiot. Just
Why
understand.
you choose to bring this a man ya come to me? I what so? Where you see mark for me?
I apologize. I misread the situation, and I was...
Hello. You see them kind of man there? Red flags on me gone. You're outsider.
Have a good evening, Miss Ad. Just at least think about it. Please.
This really serious now. Can you believe this? Can you believe this? Man, Sir Brutus. Good afternoon, sir. I'm not doing very well. No, because alright, here's what I have something really urgent to talk to you about. So I'd just like for you to come by as soon as you can, as ASAP. Yeah, as soon as possible. Alright, thank you very much. Because I'd prefer to talk to you in person. Alright, thank you, and have yourself a blessed day too. Okay.
Yes, Miss Chosen. What seems to be the problem? I came here as soon as possible.
Good afternoon again, sir.
What seems to be so urgent?
So it's actually very urgent. That's why I'm sit down here and make sure some me wait for you as you come. So I'm actually awaiting you now. I hear so actually maybe they're right here so I have the same conversation about this woman that you brought here, the new tenant. But so the woman I hang out more than a million and one drawers, like pan and everything, touching us wash her panty them. One woman can have so much panty. I remember saying me get my wire and put up my line. I'm talking about the line at least that I understand say she have to share, but my line and so much drag me never pin out so much drag yet from my band. Fast my beard so I wash them. Like she don't wash for years. At 2024 now I come like woman I wash right in the 90s. Me not understand.
Are you trying to tell me that she has... I'm pretty sure you're exaggerating.
I'm not exaggerating. Have I ever exaggerated before?
You really want me to answer that question?
Yes, sir. Because you know I haven't before. Me I tell you, if you go and go look now, you see one boatload of drags on the line. Me not understand all about drags, fishnet drags, fish stacking drags, plain drags, bingo bag, French cut, all type of cut, V cut, you name it. Me not about once much drags.
Were you trying to use the line, miss?
Of course. Then me not my clothes, I'm not washing machine, I'm want pin out.
So you wanted to use the line?
Yeah, I want to use the line. I'm ready to use it. I'm ready to use it now. Me no like how she have pin out too much things on the line. And on my line. And me a parent too. Fear money more important than mine money no money.
So the big
I'm telling you, I don't like
emergency
her.
and The big problem is that she has too many panties on the line.
Very much so, sir. Very much so. Yeah, just as is. I feel very, very upset and disrespected by it. And I just
Okay.
the truth.
Here what I'll do. I'll go have a talk with Miss Olive and find out what is the situation with the
I have a feeling that she
mismatch.
don't like me. Let me tell her the truth now. Because I just that's time from. Because from the very first day she stepped foot in this yard, I realized she kind of have a little attitude about her. Yeah, I realized she have a little attitude about her. And you know me, I miss Tudy, so when people give me attitude, I write the side them and I feel her. I'm not comfortable. But you did bring one man ask you for why you couldn't bring one man come here. I want woman in here, I want the one woman to stay in here. No bag up, no bag up. Me no like it. I don't like it. You have me nervous.
I'm
I'm
confused as to
nervous.
what is actually the problem, But here what? Rest assured, I will go have a talk with Miss Olive and I'll get to the bottom of this.
Thank you very much, sir. Yeah.
Is there anything in
Nothing else. I
regards to
just
the house or anything else?
the line come with the apartment in a sense because my line me I pay for my apartment and all of that. So I just decide there. Me don't want no bag of panty there on my line. And then my panty them suppose no.
All right,
And the
so
panty
here.
them didn't even look good.
Oh my goodness. I am going to apologize.
Procedures
I am
them.
going to apologize for the inconvenience caused and I'm going to sort it out as soon as possible. So rest assured, this situation will not occur again.
So
All
what
right?
you going for your brother though? Your brother find a woman. Girl, you not going good too, you know. Not going good. What going for your brother?
The offer is still on the table
Brother,
because
after this strong, my stomach, me don't know. Something I forgot
you,
drug me.
I tell you, say you need to think about it.
So strong, man.
Well, you can take Pepto-Bismol, help you sort you out, fix you.
So desperate. Man, look at
It's
this desperate.
no,
So
it
desperate.
doesn't have anything to do with the desperation, miss.
That's all like desperate
It is
too.
just simply a case wherein you are both doing each other a favor. You being a lawful wedded husband, wife, and him being a lawful man to you.
So what going for you?
I am off market, unfortunately.
Like when you ring off market come, you can never say the ring upon your finger, you're married. What kind of marriage is that? You're not proud to be married.
It
You don't
is
even look
perfectly
happy.
fine.
You don't look sad. You don't look
I am
sad.
perfectly happy.
You don't look
I
happy.
am perfectly happy. Miss Chosen, as I did ask before, there's any other issues or matters you'd like to discuss with me?
No, not really. Yeah, more you
I'm
get
going
to the
to
foundation of it
I'm going
because
to
something
talk to
right in
her
the
about
yard
it
here ever
right
since
now.
this lady come here.
All right?
I don't
Please,
like her. I tell you the truth. I don't like her.
relax. I'll sort it out.
Alright, I'm relaxed. And take care of yourself now, sir.
Always. Miss Olive. Hello, Miss Olive.
Come in.
Yes, please. Make a minute there, please. Thank you.
I'm coming. Hello.
How are you doing, Miss Olive?
Okay.
I know you probably have a lot of stuff doing, unpacking still and all of these things. So, I'm very sorry for the disturbance. However, I have gotten a call. I can't even go mention as to exactly from who, but I have gotten a very disturbing call to say that you are here and you're hanging out 30,000 panty on the line. Miss Olive, I don't know how else to say it, but I've never known say one woman can have so much panty. Why is it that you would want to hang so many panty on the line, Miss Olive?
God. You see why me not like tenement yard? Mr. Brutus, sir. This is the reason why I do not like to live in a tenement yard. Because problem always there. Problem always there. And it's the same problem I have before I came here. I live from one tenement yard to another tenement yard, and this seems like it worse than before. So you better me did see when me did the hello. Listen to me, sir. Is your rent you come for or you come for fasting and how much drives me hang out on the line?
But listen to me,
Because
Miss.
me don't owe you. What is your problem?
So why you talking to me like this?
Ever dear, are you just a
No,
pass by in your vehicle
no,
and see me
no,
and
no,
hang
no.
out me drives them on the line and now I can tell me say you never see one woman a hang out so much panty on line.
Miss Olive,
What is the problem,
I
sir?
was at my house,
Yes.
real well relaxed and sorting out my family.
Mhm.
When I got the call to say that you are here hanging up a million and one panty on the line, Miss Olive, I would assure you that I would not waste my time to drive, literally drive, come watch the place because I trust that I had rented the place to a responsible individual. Look, Miss Olive, I am not that type. I expect you to treat my place as if it were your own. Hence, I give you the responsibility of taking care of the place. All you do is give me money for that situation. I don't have nothing to do with anything else.
So Mr. Brutus, sir, what you try to tell me say is a tenant call you from your home and tell you say me a hang out my drives them on the line? Well, listen to me now, sir. Me need you to get this straight. Whenever I buy underwear, panty, drawers, whatever you want to call it, it is the same thing. I do not wear them just so. They're all new. Me buy them in the store and me
Oh,
have to wash them first before me wear them. So me fi can catch up infection.
oh,
Eh?
ah.
Listen to me, Mr. Brutus. Do you know the amount of people, hands, fingers that touch women underwear before them put it on? It can cause infection. Me have to wash out everyone first before me wear them. So, if me even hang out a million drawers on the line, no dirty thinking drunk or tenant we in a this yard, you're not supposed to come make no phone call and they tell you the amount of panty them when me hang out on the line. All that concern them. That's a reach your ears till you have to come to me. What is the problem? So me not have no right to hang out nothing on the line.
I never said that, Miss Olive. And I
You know,
would,
so the only thing you're supposed to come to me about, Brutus, is your money every month. And me know me not owe you. Me can't owe you so fast.
Miss Olive, I am very sorry for the misunderstanding. You see? And when I got
You
whiffed of
know,
the
so me
news,
not assume. And me not think a judge me a judge. Kill me dead. A the girl where you live down there so. Where you carry me go introduce to. You know, so from the first day you carry me go down there, boy, you introduce me to tenant. The spirit can't take her. From the moment me see her, me see crosses from the little girl. You know, it look like stay on her there. But me tell you something. You see any landlord whether they with tenant, me and them can't agree, you know. Because the tenant I go can use and tell like on other tenant. I mean, you know, it, you know, I got problem in the yard, you know, Mr. Brutus. You know that? So you better, if a she, you better go back go tell her, say mind her own business and come out of my prerogative. Because me and her no friend, me no know her from nowhere. It's the first time I see her and it's that day when you bring me here. You understand me? I mean, I look no friend from no tenant because I no want nothing from them.
oh my goodness.
And the little all crosses girl beg like dog. Every minute she want onion, salt, and pepper. Everything she beg. She never have nothing yet. And she's a little news girl on top right. If she ever know who she a play with. You know my name, sir?
Miss
You better
Olive,
tell her again because she look like
and
she forgot. And my name Olive. Me no play with people. Me come here so fi mind me own a business. Why she in a who to tell? Who to
Miss
tell her she
Olive,
know they can't use
calm
money the
down.
rest of people them?
Miss Olive, calm down. I never said it was anybody. I never called no name. I just said that tenant was concerned, and then I just come to talk to you about it. But
So
then you
the
explain
line
it to
where you
me.
tell me say me fi hang me close one. It belongs to her or she have her own line?
Jesus, Miss Olive, you keep on a pinpoint a
No, but
person.
me have to make
I am
noise because
saying,
this thing is getting worse and worse every time I hear this, every time I hear that. When I not Tom or Dick or Harry name, then
Miss
call up. Me
Olive,
not like it.
Miss Olive, as I said, it was a clear case of misunderstanding, and I apologize. I am sorry for disturbing you. I'm understand. You see me? My apologies.
Me not tell no lie, no Brutus. You know the amount of work when me inside I do? And if I did know say it's a little dirty, nasty mix up, that little nasty mouth girl down there, so come give you about me and my draws them, I would have never come out here. But I tell us if you call me on the phone and ask me about it. Anyway, me sorry and excuse me because me have something doing.
Miss,
Me have
I am.
something
My
doing.
apologies, man. Go right
Me
ahead.
have something doing inside, sir.
Go right ahead, Miss
Brutus,
Olive.
you need to tell the girl if she shut her mouth. Her mind, she put herself in a problem. And stop call up tenant name.
Miss Olive, I never call no name to you.
Ask her one something. Just one slight little something. One little teeny question.
Miss Olive, I don't think I'm going to appreciate this question when you're going to ask me right now. And I don't think I can
What
answer.
this idiot I carry news to you all the while? I look here. Are you an early?
Miss Olive, have a very good day. Please. Sorry about it again. Here. Jesus. Christ. People get me in trouble, man. Sure.
Yes, Brutus. Mother like if you come up at the apartment right now. Yeah, this a drastic. It's serious. Okay. You busy? Please leave what you do and come now. Me I wait for you.
Miss Olive, what seems to be the problem? You call me, you sounded urgent.
Mr. Brutus, are you the landlord?
Yes, I am the landlord.
Yes, me know say I landlord. And anything happen in the yard and me call you, you always a take long for come. You understand? But this now, me can't take it no more. You know someone wash me clothes and hang it out on the line.
Yes.
And when me go round there, me clothes them missing off my line, all me drawers them gone.
Are you sure?
Me panty, you don't know him underwear. Drawers, I see him one. I see him one name so. Me
Hold on.
can't believe so me hang out my panty and couple clothes on the line. And when me go round there, almost the whole of them gone.
You check around, probably had the breeze blow it off.
Breeze, don't call breeze. Right now, y'all get me madder. And now get me upset. Worse than how me feel already. Brutus, me clothes them missing. You don't know when something missing.
I'm saying you could
That
have.
mean me hang it out on the line. When me hang it out on the line, me go back around there, me don't see it. It gone. It can't come off by itself. Then can't walk.
And you're sure?
I feel want and take copy. And my mind tell me I win, but I don't want judge. But let me tell you something.
Miss,
Make this be the first and the last me go warn you. You see any of me put back my clothes them on the line and me go around there and don't see them. Hell and powder house go happen in this place, you know. Okay.
you know what I'm going to do, Miss Olive? I'm very sorry that you're missing your clothes, yeah? But what I'm going to do, I'm going to be placing some surveillance camera around the place to ensure that situations like this does not occur again. I am very sorry that it happened.
Camera. You know so much people have broke place and camera did they like people business with camera. People have dry eye nowadays. Then you dry, they no business, then do anything. Camera can't save you. The only thing me have in my head right now is the pepper one of my dry scratches them and hang it on the line. Then we know who. Okay, I'm serious.
I don't know. I can't advise you as to how you're supposed to go about trying to detect
So
everything in
me
the
must just lose my underwear them just so.
I'm not saying that should
I
be
no
the
free me
case.
get them, you know. I no free me get them. I buy, and me work very hard. Every day, me have to sit down on computer. My eye hurt me right now. Me need glasses. The work what me do, it hard. Me have to take call. Every time me have to receive call, me have to know me and answer people them and everything. I have to, all of them the struggle when me go through with the pay where them a give me have to know me I do with it. Me can't just buy my panty them and hang pan line and just miss and nothing come out of it.
I'm not entirely sure what are you asking me to do in this case.
Me want you to either find out who they on the compound when name draws thief or the thief people close, or you get back my panty then give me. Or me maybe can make it go on and not say nothing, but any happen again, I got a problem in here. That me tell you, come like you're deaf.
I will settle for the last one option. We put in place the measurements to try and prevent it from happening again. As I say, I'm going to put up a couple of surveillance cameras to ensure that I have things watching from that side and from this side. So anything should in case anything like
I see
that.
the girl where you introduce me to down there so, me don't trust her. Me not trust her. My
don't like the
mind
name
tell me
calling.
say she are the
Oh, my
thief on the compound. Why every time me
Miss-
hang my clothes them pan line then gone? Me
Miss
not
Olive,
understand this.
Miss Olive,
What?
I would like you to refrain from the name calling, please. I don't want you
Me
to
not call
accuse
nobody
anybody.
name. Not telling like Palmer.
I
Me
don't
say the
want
girl
you
down
to.
there so she name.
I don't want
She name the
you.
girl down. Me not even remember what she name. She name the girl down there so. Oh,
Please.
so you take up for your
We
tenant them.
know who we're talking. We
Mm.
both know who you're talking.
You need to know who me and talk because me need to know who take my panty.
But I am asking you to
Well,
not
God forgive me
accuse
if me
anybody
God
without
forgive me if me judging
evidence.
wrongfully. But me mind tell me say a she thief it. Me I'm go say she.
Alright.
Me say the girl down there so me
Well,
no
here
call
what
nobody.
I will
Come
do.
like you take
Here
up for
what I
people.
will do, Miss Olive. I will go and inquire. I'll go and ask her if she sees anything or if she hear anything about the situation. Please, I would advise you just don't get too upset about the situation. I am very sorry.
Well,
I
I'm
will take responsibility for the situation.
You know, I don't want to hear nothing more. 'Cause I just that mind call. The people them a wait for me online.
I am going to
me have the
sort
work to do. And you waste my time because you not tell me what me want to hear.
What is it you want me to do, Miss Olive?
Go figure out how them thief me draws, man.
And I said I will go and ask a couple of questions. I don't understand these tenants, you know, man. They keep just calling me for some things. Why? It's a possibility, you know. You know what? I'm going to ask. Hello? Hello, Miss Chosen? Miss Chosen? Hello?
Yeah, coming. Hi, handsome. How are you doing today? It's nice to see you. Can I give you a hug?
No, that's okay.
Okay, let me come on the outside.
Not necessary.
We could better communicate. Allow me.
This is never black, nothing.
So
We can
why you
talk.
come so strong? No long for see it. Oh my God, to say, come on now.
Me no long for see you.
What me do this time now?
Look here now.
It's just always something. I mean, no say some lie. It's just always the lies. I can't with the lies.
I
Come
never-
outside and talk to you, please.
I never even did. I didn't even. I never did. You can see right there. I never came and I never accuse you of anything. I never tell a lie, but yet still you just jump to conclusion. You hear what I have to say yet?
Because I know say I make people set you up and curb against me and look how me there and cool and alright. Me there whole long and pay my rent and see it. Me tell you I say you need to get rid of that woman there. All of a sudden
Here
here
again.
comes the devil.
You bring up the lady
Come just
again
see
and
it, say she
again
a come
and
out.
again.
Alright.
Chosen.
Don't talk. Talk
Chosen.
about. You really miss me?
Since I've been here, I've never had a case like this happen. And someone went around there and the lady let me know say someone thief or close them off of the line. I don't know.
Okay, you must check them before you come here, so you know. And I don't wear the same size. So I couldn't miss. So you must check the next neighbors them.
Listen to me now, man.
No, clearly, look.
I am
Me and I
saying
could
to
have
you
never
that
wear the same size. How? Where? Show me where. She have a way bigger body than I do. So come on now. They must come look for
if
me if you come
Miss
say you bring me
Olive
out on a date.
make a complaint, I have to go through.
Olive,
Seeing as I am the owner for the property, I have to follow through on an investigation and try to get to the foot of what is actually going on.
But I take a lie detector test, right? No.
So you are saying that you have no idea as to why the people in clothes are missing.
That part. Yeah. Exactly what I just said. But I take a lie detector test. If you can't afford it, I don't have money like that to the family. I don't know.
Look here now. All right, so what I'm going to ask you to do, seeing as you are just one fee, always.
No, but I don't mean no. In all honesty speaking, no, like I would just go down and live it. You really feel like I said me? Oh, where? How me go fit her clothes? How
Miss
wicked is
Chosen, I
that?
do not know you, so I don't know what you're capable of.
No, but look, but you can't
And
tell
I
me
am
my
not
size. We don't have the same body
accusing you.
size. So what me gonna do with it?
Take them in. I am not accusing you of anything.
You like Olive? You claim to your married. I feel like you have a thing for Olive because I still cannot get past the fact that I was here first paying my rent and all of a sudden you come with all of these accusations and you just pick a side. You always come at me for like you're so pressed. Why are you so pressed?
Simply just saying, Miss Chosen, if you see or hear anything about the whereabouts of our stuff, them.
Look, I'm glad to see you. And look how you make me for the go on. Like a back of bush me come from. I make you see so.
Miss Chosen, thank you very much for your time.
You know what things we could have done with the time you just come here? And you will literally waste it and talk about something that makes
could
sense.
have done?
We could have done. We could have done.
Me not speak French. Have a good day.
You know what to say as I deal with me, I have shame, you know? Hello. A minute, please.
Hi.
Good day.
Good day.
I haven't been seeing you around a lot lately. What's going on? Yeah, as me said, I haven't seen you around a lot lately, but I know see you did it. So me say you just lock up in your house, you hardly come out. You know, work at the time. What kind of work you do, if you don't mind me asking?
No, not at all. You know, say online work?
What kind of work?
I work online. Yes.
Oh, so something like...
So you stay home and work. You depend on your phone and your computer.
Oh.
You don't have to go out.
So you just making money from the phone?
Online.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay. So like what kind of job title then I give that, like?
Alright, listen.
Customer service?
It's like a customer service thing. Yes, where people call like to make them payment and so. Yes. And you tell them the procedure for them follow it.
Oh,
so after you speak to them about, you look up on your computer and look who make them payment, because sometimes they tell lie, you know. Yes, and sometimes them pay it already for two and they want to make another payment for the month or whatever. You give them all of the info. And then after that now you put them on hold and send them on to your supervisor, so then them redirect them and tell them the rest of stuff for them to do. But all you have to do, learn to socialize, communicate.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you always smile on everything and know how to interact with them. Because if you follow them, you know better want to work with that agency there. Because some of them not talk to people good. You see, if sometime you don't have one good heart for you, listen to them and know if you talk to them, you lose your job. And nobody want to work with that agency. But
They
I'm not
try
really
to
the agency, I
suffiate.
probably know my people them.
Oh.
Yeah, so sometimes to you really want your job, you have to make sure so you talk to them the best way you can, because you know say, a customer service you do, you know,
Yeah.
and customer come first.
Uh-huh.
You understand? So
Yeah.
that's why I have to stay in, because I can't bother if you go every morning, go out in the sun and go lift up no this and that. So online work, you can just go online and Google it, a whole heap of agency
So
there.
you make good money at fight also?
Yes, of course, them pay good.
I check it out, that no sound tree bad.
Yeah man, them pay good man.
Yeah. And that me just still access still because true, you know, check for you something, you know, I want to know say you're good, me just see you lock up in the house. So me I wonder what go on.
Yes, and then have one new place I build up a Landlord or a Sav. But them soon start taking on one heap of people.
Have me
Yes.
to put in my resume and my application letter,
So
man,
you
you know.
could have let the employer this. So.
Yeah, come on bad, me can talk to people and something, I look at you, man.
Once you have it here, so you know if it, you know your
Yeah.
book and you can talk to people and
I'm glad me say
whatever.
something to you then because I can take that into consideration.
Yeah.
As I said, just that me want to say to you one more thing though.
Oh.
Me partially, I don't know if you know, but me partially have shares in a building here. Yeah, I have shares, so that is why when the landlord did the
In this apartment here when me rent part of it, you have shares in it?
yeah, I have small shares in it, man. But that's why when the landlord did I rent a place, him bring it to me. Cause normally anybody where my rent, him introduce me so I can review it personally, you know. Can come to a basic agreement for now say, alright, then the person yeah, acceptable in a place.
Oh.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I actually have shares in a place, man. Yeah. What you see him again?
Olive.
Olive. Nice to meet you again. I'm not really good with names, chosen man. I'm not really good with names, you know, so I feel no if I ask you. But as I say, I just did want to say them few things there to you. So just go and bless up yourself, Zin.
Okay.
It takes so long for answer. Hello, good afternoon. Yes. Yes, Mr. Willis. Good morning. I'm calling because I have some very, very, very relevant information, sir. Yes, Mr. Yes, sir. I have one neighbor. I have one neighbor. Big scammer. Yeah, I want to give some information, but before I give you, I want to know, sir, I can get one little reward because time hard and something and I can't give out information and I now benefit because a millions she make big and she have enough giant and something come here she a talk on her phone and something. Yes, the Shrewsbury housing scheme. Apartment 4. Apartment number 4. Her name is Miss Olive. Yes, big scammer.
Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon, sir.
I'm looking for a Miss Olive.
Olive. Yeah, she live right up there, sir. Is she here come out with you?
Yes.
I know Olive. Olive live right up there, sir. Right up there, sir. She live right up there. So go through the second door down there, so and go upstairs. Up there, so she live.
Which one of the numbers?
Apartment 4.
Okay. Karen.
No go yet between me and you. My business, not people business, you know. But you see that woman there want scammer, you know. That woman there, I want ring of them, one big ring of them, and them a top scammer. And you see when I catch her, do me, I beg you. One thing to get locked up. lock up for a long time. I don't like her. But she come here, be a problem.
Alright, miss.
Her.
Just don't, just
I'm
keep,
not until I see you come.
yes, I'm going to go up there, so
Oh, you go up there now?
just stay inside.
Yeah.
Alright, miss, just don't come into any police matters.
No, sir, me never there. Me I go in now.
Hello?
Hello. Hi. Who is it?
Good day, miss.
Good day.
Are you Miss Olive?
Yes.
Well, miss, I've come to the understanding that you're being involved in some illegal activities.
Like what, sir?
Lottery scamming.
Me? Wait, a joke I make. Man, I rang you to come.
I'm not a joker, miss.
Mine are the wrong you to come, sir. My name is Alice. Very independent, hard-working woman. Where you get this information from?
Well, miss, we got a call today that some illegal activities have been going on in this residence. The person says that the person said that the person's name is Miss Olive. So I've come here to tell you this information.
Me. This is Olivia. Me, we work so hard for my living. Hello, sir. Me look like I say me involved in a wrongdoings to you?
Miss, I do not.
Are you judging me wrongfully?
Miss,
Or
I'm
they
not.
underestimate my educational background when me take and do my work online?
Miss, I'm not trying to tell any lies on you. I'm just telling you the information that I have been given. So I'm just here to follow up to find out if this is true. I'm not trying to tell any lies about you. I'm not trying to guess off of your clothing or anything. I'm just here off of the information that the police station has been given.
Sir, let me show you what kind of work me do. Me work home, online. Me a no thief. Sir, me work at first global zinc galvanized center. Hard working person this. Me a no thief. Me no dealing in them the kind of foolishness there. See, you can see that is the name of the company. This is a call center. Why you feel say me would have going around doing, sir?
Miss, it's not me. I'm just telling you.
So, officer, me can ask you a question, sir. Is everything everybody come and report down by the station and believe and just come to come accuse and assume and arrest people just like that? You
No,
try
miss,
to figure out
I'm
and
not
find
trying
out if
to
it is
accuse you.
if it is true or lie or whatever.
Miss, I'm not trying to accuse
But
you.
since as you come on me yard, that mean whosoever care that the kind of news they come tell you. On take in everything and no believe else you wouldn't reach here, so.
Miss, if the police station is given information that lottery scamming is going on, we have to verify it.
Well,
So
sorry.
I'm not going to.
You got the wrong person and they're the wrong yard because I don't deal in them the kind of foolishness there.
Well, miss, I'm not going to arrest you, but I'm going to need you to come by the station with me
Why?
because we need to verify it from your company that this is true. Because even though you might be showing me that information on your phone, you could still be telling me lies.
Okay, all right, come on, me ready.
Okay then, miss.
Me ready, me have my proof. Me not have a problem with that.
Ah, boy. Why you out here, Miss Olive? What is the problem?
Are you me a wait for you notice? I call up on the phone and I wait for you all long. And from me come, me no move from you, so not even go, me no go in the house, you know.
Miss
Me
Olive?
need to talk to you. Me need to talk to you. This is very important and it's very serious and me cannot take this thing no more.
What is the problem?
I'll start a problem, whole heap of problem, and a bad, a wicked, dreadful problem, with it, and I cannot take it no more.
Oh man, this sounds serious.
Listen to me now. Of course, it is serious. Me there me yard good.
Yes,
I feel me yard until me left, you know, me a pay for.
this is right.
Me there me yard good. Me hear knock on my door. When me come outside, it's police that greet me. Police come on me yard.
Wait, what do you mean police? Wait, police,
You don't know any police?
like routine check police pass through?
Police. We work a police station, do them random check and all kind of things, take report, take statement, can people go court, serve them warrant, police we do all kind of things.
So what was the police here about?
This police came to me about me doing lottery scamming.
You,
Yes, me. The police have one bag of stories of it tell me. So they get information down at the station about me or me they scam every day here so. Upstairs.
really, Miss Olive?
And them have proof. And how me if you come down a station, contact to them about it. For them prove. Say I know me. All when me show the policeman my phone. Say a call center me work.
So Miss
Me work online at home. Eh?
Christ.
But me don't tell us something, you know. Mr. Brutus, whatever you want name, sir. My mind tell me, and if me the judge wrongfully, Father God forgive me. Say is that little dirty, nasty tenant where you have down there so. They try to mix me up and put me in a wrongdoing, which I'm not. I am a very hard-working, intelligent, independent woman. I try to live off of my own bread when me work for, no for thief. You understand? And this girl go mix up my name in a government book till all police come on me yard.
I cannot
Listen to me.
this.
A matter of fact, from the other day, I can't take the problem them, you know. Only because I am not a news carrier. Sorry. I mean, I try to be no informer upon nobody. And from the other day,
Yes.
which me mentioned this to you already, you know. Me I miss some clothes off of the line. Few clothes missing. But I told me I'm not informer. Every time when they missing, me can't bother if you take up phone and I call you or they talk to you about certain things. You understand me? Just keep it. You understand me? Me miss, when I not 2 piece, me miss 3 piece. I'm going to tell you something. You know, say all my panty them I wash and put on the line. Some of them gone to. But me not call you and say certain things to you. From the one time, I tell you something I did miss something. You say, "True, me not even sure." Because maybe me misplace it and put it down in my house. Me not bother say nothing more. But after that, it's a continual thing. Constantly thieving, me close them. And my mind tell me say, is that little dirty wretch where they don't get a thief, me close them, you know.
Take time on that because we don't want to go around and accusing anybody of anything. You know.
Me not accuse.
But
as me said before, if I the judge, God forgive me and pardon me. But me not see nobody else pan the compound, they behave certain type of way. She they go on one kind of way, and a matter of fact, you know the reason why me know say is this girl care me name to go down a police station or either she go down there or she take her phone and call the police them. If me know me not judge. Me not judge, although me they ask God forgive me if me they judge her. Me not judging. You know say the girl see me. You know say the girl see me? Eh? Today the girl see me early on.
yes.
Before police even come to me. She see me. And she come to me right on my door there so. And gonna question me. Oh, she not see me from when. They come out or they go in. She notice me stay inside all the while. What kind of work me do? A she man. She's the problem. And me can't take the problem no more. So listen to me now, Mr. Landlord, Brutus, sir. Anyway, me tired of the problem. All these problems where they go on is one person that do it and you're going to lose a lot of tenants because of she. And me a fall person that is a good tenant to you when no home me rent. Guess what? Anytime you come and you not see me, it's gone, me gone. I will leave your key, give somebody. And you see the deposit, the money in the back for the rent there. Where in case me left out and name pay, me know me not own none. So you give me back that, but me not want it, you can't take it too. You can't take it. Me not have nothing to do with the yard again because me did live which farm me did live and me never in a no problem right now. Me not even me a hear and me not even want to hear it, but me understand so me have to go listen one at a time. But me need you to get what me I say and listen the reason why you're going to lose a lot of tenants because of that witch. She's the problem. Listen, me not done. You know, so when she come to me and they question me what kind of work me do, you know, so she said to me, say, me just remember, she said to me, say, The apartment, she is a part of the share owner. She own it.
Part own what? Look here now, Miss Olive. This is where I'm going
She
to
said
tell
she's
you.
a part of it and she own it.
This is
She
where
have shares in
I'm
it.
going to stop you.
She said she have shares in there.
Don't.
So maybe she want to get rid of me. Because she must think say me I look you.
Nothing of the sort. Listen to me. Miss Olive.
Me nah look nobody, me and my man.
Miss
And this
Olive.
girl is very out of order. Listen to me, you know. Right now, me dey on my wrong side, you know, Mr. Sir. I am on my wrong side, and right now, nothing can calm me down again, you know, right now. And you me see that girl, you know, a judgment in you, you know, because,
Olive,
you know, my chap,
don't
this time police are come
resort
handcuff
to
me because me
violence.
and her maybe warring her, so you know me I going to leave your place.
Just hear me out now, please.
Me I'll leave your place.
Listen to me.
Can't take it no
May
more.
I ask if you just calm down and don't make any rash decisions. There has to be
I'm not a wrongdoer.
I never said you were a wrongdoer, and I believe
No, she
what you are.
me not go
But
and
I
make book.
believe what you are saying. But we can clarify this. Look here now. I am going to get to the bottom of this matter right now. I'm not even going to let it rest. Not one more second. Just go take a walk. Go and go take a walk. All right? Please. No, sir. Right away. Hello? Chosen? Chosen?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Come here, miss. I want to have a word.
Good day. How may I be able to assist you today, sir? What did I do this time? What's that look about? What did I do this time?
Look here, now, man. Don't come at all innocent in this, you know. Because I just really, really can't believe you went this far.
What are you talking about?
What do you mean by what I'm talking about?
I hope you look dirty woman up there, so kind of fool
Stop it.
come tell you, you know.
Stop it.
Here you know.
Stop it.
Same thing. I'm listening. What is it this time?
You know, Miss Olive called me. The lady was so distraught. Police come at my apartment. I've never had police have a reason for police come here. Police come at my apartment, come arrest the young lady, saying that she is inveigling in illegal activities.
You don't know what go on. Let me tell you what go on. Because you don't live here, no, you only come and go. You don't live here, just come here, come collect rent and check on things and evaluate things and make sure the things are right. You know who that there? The woman there want real classes, you know? She don't know what go on up there, you know? They say that woman there want mix up woman, you know? Me I watch her, you know, she go on innocent and all, but that woman there want to throw some things, but I want talk, you don't understand, you know, Sir Rufus.
Chosen, you are here as a tenant. I never hire you for security.
But you thief.
I never hire you for watch the people, my tenants them. You're paying your rent for your space.
Yeah, privacy and happiness and
But
comfortable.
who give you the right to go call police and tell police but the woman is doing illegal acts? You care the woman, you make the woman name get tarnished and gone out of jail for what? For something that you did not know about.
So why police don't lock up somebody for something if they never do nothing? You think about that?
She did not do anything. The police had to verify it by the station and she simply went and clear up her name. The woman is a call center worker.
She buy out the case. Me I tell her say a big old top scammer that day. I be a big giant share chap. What you know, but you don't know anything.
You know what I discovered more than anything else?
You
is a big mix up, you know.
Me mix up? A she mix up?
You is a big mix up, you know.
She very, very mix up. You don't know who that
you know what your problem was or is? You never read it. It was in the contract. If you violate any of the tenants them and the cause, give me just cause to throw you out, then I go put you out. And I am sorry to inform you, Chosen, even though you have been here for a little bit, me have to get rid of you.
Me?
Yes.
Me whether you're period and time how long and this cross woman come and you choose her over me?
Listen to me.
No, man.
Bring too much personal vendetta against this woman without knowing the people them.
The thief is scamming woman.
And you keep on a talk.
She and her friend them a scam and a chop and something and you don't know what going on in the living.
You know, say you don't listen. You don't listen, you know.
What if you say you put me out? I mean, they pay me rent and time. I mean, I have no
it is
not,
it is not debatable. I have come to my conclusion that you cannot coexist with
So
nobody.
why you she had to just come here? Before she come here, no problem in
The
her.
lady did not do anything wrong.
Before she came here, was there any circumstances here before she came
And
here?
clearly you have a problem with her since she comes. So why is it that, look here now?
No, you know you have something against me.
I am very sorry.
You have something against me.
I am very sorry. But miss, you are to be considered notified.
No, you can't.
You have 2 weeks to get your affairs in order
2 weeks.
and leave my premises. 2 weeks for sort out. As a matter of fact, it was stipulated in the contract if you give me just cause for immediate eviction, me evict you immediately. But because you were here for a little bit longer time, and you keep on a time, a pine finger woman, you are the problem. You see people business, leave it alone. And see it, you cause me for be losing business. This is a tenant that I could have. This is the woman pay her rent and the woman is working. And you keep on talk about the woman a problem.
So
why you don't listen?
Rent. I'm not pay you.
So why you giving problem?
I'm not getting a problem. She try to mix it up and I tell lie for me. I try to know how she thief and wicked. You know some things I'm not talk. And me there, so I still not talk certain things that she do me. You don't know who that woman there. What is Father God?
Look here now. I made my decision. You got to go.
I can't go. I don't have nowhere to go. I work and pay.
Well, you should have thought about that before you do the foolishness.
I don't have nowhere to go. You can't
You don't
put me
have
out.
nowhere
and
to go?
It's hard to find for rent. What
Then
you
you
mean?
know to think about them things there. Eh? I cannot help you.
Leave me alone, please.
Me, if you tell her to leave you, I
Yeah.
cannot help you,
Stop
miss.
talk
You're
about me,
going
man.
to have
Thief,
to
you
go.
thief.
No. You have to go.
I don't have nowhere to go. And that may I tell you, I don't have anywhere to go.
Chosen, you should have thought about it before.
Me they are good, you know. Me they are good before the lady come here. Me they are good. Look at me, they are good. And you come and go. You see me again a problem? Me never did I give no problem. And she come here with her enough self.
Quite frankly, I'm disappointed, you know.
But I am disappointed if you know say put me as your first tenant. I was the one that was here first. And somebody come with foolishness and lies. Yeah, put me out. I'm a parent. Me not understand.
Nobody's telling any lie on you. And you're standing here
See
in front of me and you are telling me bag of lies.
I know the truth shall come to light. I don't have nowhere to go. You can't put me out.
You don't have nowhere to go.
I don't have nowhere to go.
You don't have nowhere to go.
Here before I'm a parent. No problem never there until this woman come here. All those tumble as the woman come here. Why all these things that happen when she come here?
Miss, you know, hold on there. Come to think of it.
Here I know. One next lie we should tell Pammy. What happened now, sir?
Just listen. You know, standing here and listening to you, and you saying you have nowhere else to go. It has dawned on me to say, you may actually have a chance.
Why here? Tell me.
See, you did turn me down the first time. But this time now, the tables has turned, and it is more in my favor. So, I will allow you to stay here under one condition.
What kind of condition that please don't make it have too much shampoo?
You're going to have to marry to my brother.
Which brother?
I don't have more than one brother.
Which brother? Your handicapped brother?
And there you go again. And there you go again.
And give me pill and
Well, that is my only term and condition. If you don't want to work with it or if you can't comply, then 2 weeks time, I am sorry. But that is it.
So when me go with him, who me carry him go meet?
Listen to me. That is your business.
I go a party and I go shop or something.
I do not want to know about your whereabouts and your business. However, that is my terms and conditions. If you're willing to work with it, then you can stay.
Carry him go. Who me go walk with him on the road?
Me. Nothing is wrong with my brother. What you mean?
Nothing wrong with him, but you know, like there are people there are people with him like.
Well, shut your ears and shut your eye and walk straight.
No, how me go see where me I go? It might as if it's true because I shut me eye, might as well just walking around carrying dead. Cause I have no forgot me. You want to marry?
Well,
your brother.
Look here now. You put yourself in a situation, you know. You put yourself in a situation. Well, if you don't want to deal with it,
When we go, me and people meet
listen to me.
for wrong reasons.
You know what me have to deal with. So here what? If you don't want to, then you just leave. Well, you have tonight. You have tonight to think about it.
You don't have no cousin and no uncle.
You have tonight to think about it. And that is final.
Alright. But I want big expensive one and the biggest ring to kind of have money and he ugly. He ugly, I mean, I want him. I want him. Come on, boy. What you do with him? Where you put him?
If there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use say make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40 you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, see him Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right?
Yeah, people, big up on yourself. If you're not watching this, that means you're just done watch another epic movie from Richard Brown Films. When you don't know the thing, it's your boy Chaz representing for Richard Brown Films. If you don't like, share, and subscribe yet, do so right now. Believe it, no man. Believe in the process and believe in the dream. We're going places. Janky people. But I love for you to actually extend some support over to my channel. LYL Production. Live Your Life Production, which is going to be my channel. Coming soon and very soon. My new movie dropping very soon. So people, may I ask for support. I may ask for come over and give me some subscription. Please and thank you. Yeah? But again, I want to tell you to say, oh, Richard Brown Films, going places. Respect the dream, respect the love. Always. Big up.